Welcome to Mommy Girl Cars. As promised, this is an internal view of the Honda Accord that's up for sale. And as you can see, it's a pretty old car. Quite a bit of rust, but shouldn't scare you. Some parts do rust with age and still continue working. Drive-by-wire of the alternator, exhaust manifold. This is an oxygen sensor. Braking system in there. What we're going to take a look at now is the front passenger side of the car. What we see here is what it looks like in the car. This is the rear passenger right hand side. Does come with a sunroof, cloth seats. Yeah, we should go have a look at the boot. Oh, I see it's also currently being used as a storage area for Crunchy Crispies. I guess we'll be advertising this company's Sweet Crispies. I'll close this door for now. Have a look at the petrol tank. Get that closed. The back seat, driver's side. I don't know what it looks like. Now move on to the front seat, driver's seat. All its mirror and window controls. You can see. Look at the dashboard. Finally, we come back to the engine, and I do hope that this video helps in making your decision whether you want to buy this car. Thank you, and goodbye from Mommy Girl Cars.